So in our previous video, we installed Python in our system and IDE, that is Visual Code. Now go to browser and search for pyttsx3, which means Python speech to text version 3. Open the first link you see in Google. Now let me tell a bit about this package. This is the third party package which will convert text to speech on Python. So to install this, copy pip install pys, copy this command, or you can type it. Go to Visual Code and paste it, but it will show, but in some computer, some environment, it will show error like this, pip.tom php. This will not be explained in many video tutorials on YouTube. So if you type this, but basically this error means is that your Python is missing in environment variable in your computer. So to solve that, press Ctrl R on Windows, then type appwizip.cpr, then search for a Python application. It is Python. Then click on Style Change, Modify, then click this pip, then click Next, then click this Add Python to an environment, then click Install. I have already done it, so I don't need to do it again. So now you have done that, you can use this command on your Visual Code, then install it. For example, I have already done it. Then the package for text to speech is installed in your application. Now in your Visual Code, create a new file called text to speech.py. Sorry, it is file, new text file, Control save, text speech.py. Now in this file, import the package you have just installed, that is pyttsx3. Now define a variable, and it will use and call for function for this library, that is init, initialize it. Then now use the function from pyttsx3, that is say. And hello, I am Jarvis. Sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I am Jarvis. Now, what it does is it will convert the text in here to speech. Now, all done. Type engine.run and wait. Please note capital A and capital W. So it is necessary to be in exactly this, because it's already defined function name from pyttsx3 library, so it has to be exactly the same. Now let me play it. Now run this by pressing this or F5. Wait a minute, what am I? Sorry, it was from my previous code. So now go to it. Now you can press this or F5.
Hello sir, I am Jarvis.
As you can see, it's paying the text written in this save function. So that's it for this first video. Please like and subscribe this video to go further because I'm planning to make first software part then hardware part on Raspberry Pi as well as IoT system.